We're gonna take a field trip to an open house that Anatol's holding at Culture Apparel Studio. Let's go check it out. Just go for it.
I don't even know how to turn it on.
You have to say something.
Oh.
You have to point at your face.
I don't want to put it on my face.
So Shannon's gonna do this. We are heading to Culture Apparel and we're going to an open house in which Anatol is going to be there. Culture Apparel has a couple Anatol presses. Have yet to visit Kendra's shop. Kendra is who we actually printed our first automatic press from.
Bought.
Purchased.
You said printed.
Anyhow, we purchased the Black Beast. Is that what we call it? We just call it the Beast.
Yeah, we called it the Beast.
That's the Black Beast. We're heading to her shop. We're gonna go check out the. We're gonna go check her shop out. I know they have Volt there, and we're interested in getting a Volt. Plus, not only that, we've been cool with Kendra and have kind of collaborated in some past projects.
I tried to talk Matt into letting me buy her parrot.
No, we didn't want that damn parrot. Anyhow, we're going to Kendra's shop, Culture Apparel, and it'll be a good time. We'll get some video, check out the Anatol Volt, which I know we've seen it at ISS shows, but it's been a while. We're considering upgrading, so let's go take a look and meet Ken from Anatol for the first time and check out Kendra's shop. Let's go. Take it, the shop is up here. That's kind of cool, the silos. Oh, there we are. This is a big ass place. I'm just gonna drive right up into this bitch.
No, you're not. Oh my God.
We are at Culture Apparel Studios. Let's go and check out business real quick. We'll talk to Kendra, the owner, and see what they got going down. Shoo-wee! It's a pretty awesome space. They plan on getting press number 3. They have 2 Anatol Volts. Maria's getting after it. They've got a 8-color 7-station press here with the flash. This is a Anatol Volt. They got their little speaker set up. They got all their screens set up here. Got ink on the shelf. Big old conveyor dryer to handle the automatic presses. Got a lovely over here stacking on this huge ass table, which I think is awesome. Look at that banner. That thing's pretty awesome. Very organized. I wish we were this organized, but got some pretty cool prints going on here. I don't want to fuss with their work or show off who their clients are. What? They got a Culture Apparel? They got Culture Apparel t-shirts? I want one. Oh, are these giveaways? Yeah. Are they? Do you want a Culture Apparel shirt?
I would love one. Ladies styles, or there's some new ones that we
You got to get you a
These
V.
are all ladies. These are like a football kind of style.
Oh, I like that stuff.
Super simple. That's a small, medium, large.
All right, now that I've changed my shirt into a Culture Apparel shirt, here's some of their office areas. I got quite a bit of room. Got some vinyl storage going on in here. Wide format Epson, I imagine for doing some film. I'm guessing Kendra's office, so she can overlook, see what's going on over there. Look at them talking screen print stuff. And then they have their vinyl rolling thingamabob. I haven't got into this stuff yet, but this is where they print vinyl for car wraps. Apparently they do some stuff for dirt track cars and whatnot. Man, this embroidery operation. What kind of heads they got going on in here? Howdy. You care being on camera? Can I intervene? No, I'm just messing with you. But they got it going on. I'll let them get back at it. I want to mess with them that much. Very cool space. Very cool. And then she's got her drift cars up there. Got the doggies. Can you do samples? What are you doing?
We charge $175.
I would do that, except
We got the other doggy
Matt's
here.
still gonna be mad at me.
Oh, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
We'll do like
Oh, you want some attention too? You want some attention? And then they've got this little press over here, I imagine for doing tags. I've yet to be introduced to one of these. I've seen them before, but man, the Anatol Prodigy. So they've got that kicking here in the shop. Pretty cool little machine. Got the sandblaster, maybe for car stuff. Got another little conveyor dryer, imagine for the tag press here. What? She got the hood open now? Ooh! Got the old Turbski kicking here. This is a pretty little dope car. So this is Kendra's drift car. She was telling me about these wheels here. She mentioned that they're hard to get a hold of and pretty expensive. But here's her drift car. This thing is pretty dope. Here's one of her other rides. Man, look at that. Look at those beats. These things are ready to pop off. I don't even know how the hell that's holding air, but got some pretty cool little rides. We got some screens going on up here. A couple more rides here. Lots of ink. Man, this place is a good size. Something for a lot of you guys to inspire to. Not only myself, but cool shop. And then here is Miss Kendra herself. This is her shop, Culture Apparel.
yes, and these are the dogs.
They're
So-
the reason we got
Yeah.
Apollo.
Yep.
Kendra does a lot of contract printing, which we have gotten out of it. We've gotten out of contract printing. So if you do, or you are interested in contract printing,
Yes.
where can they email you
So
at?
our email address is pretty long, but it's sales@cultureapparelstudio.com. You can contact us via Instagram as well at Culture Apparel Studio, Facebook, anything like that. We're pretty sociable, easy to find.
So reach out to her for contract printing, okay?
Needy, that dog is needy.
Will you talk a little bit about your shop? Because I've kind of just been going around. I'm like, ooh, ink, ooh,
Okay,
presses.
absolutely.
Tell us a little bit about your shop.
Hey, guys.
Action.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, my name is Kendra Messer. I'm from Houston, Texas, and this is my shop, Culture Apparel Studio. I got into screen printing almost when I was 14 or 15 years old. However, I just started my shop about 3 years ago. So welcome, and we're gonna take you on a tour. I ended up buying out a already well-established screen printing business that had been here for about 25 years. And so I ended up purchasing it a little over 3 years ago. And during that transaction, I acquired an immense amount of ink. You can tell all the older labels, these are the ones that I had acquired, whereas all the new labels are ones we made. We do have an ink mixing system here in-house, and we use the Wilflex ink mixing system. So a lot of people find that pretty cool and a little interesting. All of our bulk colors we always get from One Stroke Inks, so we kind of have a little bit of a mess over here, but we're trying not to waste any ink because there is such a shortage as of lately.
So all these are Pantone specific?
Yes,
Is that
these
what they
all
are?
Pantone specific, correct. So
Did they do contract printing as well?
They did retail, but
Oh, they did retail,
yes.
but-
So the company that I took over printed for I don't know if I should. They did a lot of printing for like. Cavender's doesn't even do printing anymore. So I'm gonna say like Cavender's. Some of our clients that we do still have are still reoccurring from when they owned the business all the way now, and are also
Yeah, don't give that away.
retaining customers as well. They also always specifically ask for a lot of PMS colors. Obviously, over the multiple decades, they've added thousands of colors. So any of the new color books, almost probably no one even uses 364 green anymore, but maybe we can try to use it into something else. I also am big about helping in the community, and young starting up screen printers or schools will ask if they can have something, and I usually give away ugly ink colors. You know you're printing on the back of a shirt, right?
Yeah, that's an extra.
Oh, okay. I was just like, wait a minute, like what's going on here?
We got fronts and backs.
Yeah, I was like, all right. After I took over that shop, they just had a crap load of very, very old equipment, and I decided that this is not for us. I got tired of sweating and working on the machines because they were broken all the time. At that time, I had a Anatol Titan, and I was like, I love the Anatol brand. I want to get something new that's quiet, because everything we had in here was air compressor driven. Really, the Volt was one of the very first options I decided to go to because we had that Titan. So here we are. We have not one, but two Anatol Volts that we really, really enjoy.
Shoo-wee. Not one, but
Not
two.
one, but two. And We talk about our equipment on our YouTube channel. It's Kendra at Culture Apparel Studio. Super easy to find. Any of the Anatol videos that kind of discuss trial and error and things, we include all that information in a lot of our videos. So we're really looking forward to being with Anatol, that we ended up getting a third one. And a lot of people are like, why? Why a third press? Well, because we're wanting to run 3 presses. Believe it or not, we're trying. We are a small business, and it means a lot to us, and it means a lot to us being able to run good, reputable products. So that's about where we're at with that. Over the time of like, maybe the 3 years we're working into our 4th year, we've just made like some pretty massive, like elaborate changes. The direction of the printing that we're doing, the type of printing, the consistency of the printing that we're doing. So quality, production, like efficiency has just become so important to us. We've had a lot of things that are extremely dialed in, and I want to say thanks to like the Anatol product and the ease of use, it makes like everything so much easier. So we're really happy that we upgraded to all of these equipment versus the stuff we had before.
Well, I appreciate you walking us through your shop. It's an awesome shop. I'm glad we actually finally got to come and check it out. Be sure to follow Kendra _Culture Apparel.
It's
Culture
Kendra
Apparel.
and then like a hash, and it's Culture Apparel Studio. You can find us on Instagram, anything like that. We're pretty easy to find. So I really appreciate you guys stopping by today. Thank you guys so much.
Yes, definitely. Y'all be sure to check her out, and we'll see you guys next time.